Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about non-living things in the environment. In this lesson, you will be able to identify non-living things found in the environment and their importance to living things and to show care and concern for the environment by practicing proper use and conservation of non-living resources. Are you ready? Earth's surroundings consist of living and non-living things. Living things are people, animals, and plants. Non-living things are objects that do not grow, breathe, move by themselves, or reproduce. They do not need food, water, or air to live. Non-living things can be grouped into two types: the natural non-living things and the human-made non-living things. Natural non-living things are not made by people. They are found in nature and are part of the earth. Examples are water, air, soil, rocks, sand, sun, moon, mountains, rivers, and seas. While human-made non-living things are made by people, they are created to help people in their daily lives. Examples: chair, table, house, school, road, car, book, pencil, bag, and computer. And for this lesson, we will focus on the natural non-living things. Natural non-living things are not made by people. They are found in nature or environment and are part of the earth, such as the sun, moon, rain, and clouds. Living things need non-living things to survive. Without air, water, sunlight, and soil, living things will die. Non-living things such as sun, moon, rain, and clouds affect our daily life. Sun. The sun is the main source of energy on Earth. It gives light, allowing us to see. It gives heat, which makes Earth warm and livable. The sun helps plants grow too. Air. Air is all around us but is usually invisible. We can feel air when it moves as wind. Air is made of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. It is also made of small amounts of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen to live. Plants use air to make food. Air also helps maintain Earth's temperature. Clouds and rain. Clouds help regulate Earth's temperature. During daytime, clouds reflect heat back into space. Clouds and rain are part of the water cycle. The water cycle moves water around the earth and the atmosphere. As the sun warms earth, it also evaporates water into water vapor that forms clouds. When the clouds become too heavy, they fall to the ground as rain. This process returns water to earth. Earth materials such as rocks, soil, metals, and water are important resources that help and support humans, animals, and plants. These materials are used in many applications, such as in agriculture, construction, and manufacturing industries. Water is essential for life and landscape. It serves as a habitat for plants and animals. It is used for drinking, cleaning, bathing, irrigation, and transportation. It also helps shape rocks and Earth's surface. Water is part of all life forms. Soil is the foundation of life and agriculture. It serves as a habitat for plants and animals. It is used in producing food crops. It is also used in making bricks, vases, and pots. It supports life of plants, animals, and humanity. Rocks is the foundation of our world. It is used in building houses, roads, floors, and monuments. Rocks break down into soil over time. It contains useful minerals such as salt, limestones, gypsum, and quartz. Rocks is the Earth's building blocks. Metals are the modern building blocks. They are used in jewelry, bridges, vehicles, and electrical wires. They are also used in telecommunications, in medical instruments and tools. Metals are Earth's treasures. Useful things from non living things. Non living things are useful to humans. Humans need non living things to survive and live comfortably. Here are some non living things used in everyday life and in making different useful items. Here are the uses of water: for drinking, bathing, cleaning, and washing clothes, for watering plants. Waterfalls can be a source of energy. Seas and oceans provide table salt, minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. They also provide fish and other sea animals for food. Water is also used for sports and recreation. Ships and boats transport people and goods. Water also used to produce food, clothes, tires, gadgets, toys, and paper. Uses of soil and land. They are used for plants like rice, corn, vegetables, and fruits grow in soil. Animals eat plants that grow in soil. Forests provide wood for houses, furniture, and paper. Communities are built on land such as houses, schools, parks, roads, and businesses. They are also used for vehicles like cars, buses, and trains travel on land. Care and concern for the earth. Earth provides humans with the living and non living things we need to survive. We must take care of Earth to protect these resources. How do you show care for Earth? Care and concern for the Earth. Protect and conserve trees where animals live. When trees are cut down, animals that live in them lose their home and die. Without trees, soil erosion increases, leading to floods and landslides. If cutting down trees cannot be avoided, replace every tree felled with one or two new plants. Preserve the mountains where trees grow and where animals and plants live. Prevent making mountains into residential and commercial spaces. Protect the waters. Prevent human activities such as dynamite fishing and illegal fish pens that can destroy and pollute water sources. Dynamite fishing kills many types of fishes and marine animals. It can also pollute and destroy their habitats. Building too many fish pens can reduce the oxygen in lakes and ponds. This leads to fish kills or the death of large numbers of fishes. Keep your surroundings clean. Start cleaning your own backyard. Tidy up your garbage cans and segregate your waste. If you do this, waste materials will not reach the land, water, and air, and pollution will be avoided. Conserve resources. Find ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle items whenever possible. Conserve water by turning it off after use and making sure it is not leaking. Limit the use of fuel. Instead, walk, run, or bike when possible. Once again, non-living things such as sun, moon, rain, and clouds affect our daily life. Earth materials such as rocks, soil, metals, and water are important resources that help and support humans, animals, and plants. Identify what is being described in each sentence. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Number one, the main source of energy on Earth, sun. Two, things that do not grow, move, or reproduce, non-living things. Three, the non-living thing that humans breathe in, air. Four, the gas in the air needed by humans and animals to live, oxygen. Five, the gas that makes up the largest part of air, nitrogen. Six, the process where water changes into water vapor, evaporation. Seven, the non-living thing that falls from clouds to the ground, rain. Number eight, the cycle that moves water within Earth and the atmosphere, water cycle. Nine, non-living things that are found in nature and are part of the Earth, natural. 10. Earth material used in building roads and houses, rocks. 11. These are non-living things made by people, human-made. 12. The non-living thing that serves as a habitat for fish, water. 13. These are things that do not grow, move, or reproduce, non-living things. And 14. They help regulate Earth's temperature, clouds. Which of the following is a non-living thing? A dog, B tree, C air. The answer is air, letter C. Living things need non-living things in order to A. Play, B. Survive, C. Sleep. It's B. Survive. What is the main source of energy on Earth? A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Stars. It's letter B. Sun. Why can we see objects around us during the day? A. Because of rain, B. Because of sunlight, C. Because of wind. The answer is because of sunlight, B. Which non-living thing do humans breathe in? A. Water, B. Oxygen, C. Soil. It's B. Oxygen. Air is mostly made up of which gas? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen. The answer is nitrogen C. Which of the following is part of the water cycle? A. Soil, B. Clouds, C. Rocks. The answer is clouds B. What happens when clouds become too heavy? A. They disappear. B. They turn into wind. C. They fall as rain. It's letter C. They fall as rain. Which non-living thing helps plants make food? A. Sunlight. B. Rocks. C. Metals. It's A. Sunlight. Which earth material is used for growing plants? A. Metal. B. Soil. C. Clouds. It's B. Soil. What earth material is used for drinking and cleaning? A. Metal. B. Soil. C. Water. It's letter C. Water. Which is a use of rocks? A. Making clothes. B. Building roads. C. Cooking food. It's letter B. Building roads. Which non-living thing is used to make jewelry and wires? A. Soil. B. Water. C. Metal. It's C. Metal. Which activity shows care for the environment? A. Throwing trash anywhere. B. Cutting trees without planting. C. Segregating waste. The answer is C. Segregating waste. Why are trees important to animals? A. They give toys. B. They provide homes. C. They make noise. It's B. They provide homes. Which activity can harm water sources? A. Cleaning rivers. B. Dynamite fishing. C. Saving water. It's B. Dynamite fishing. What should you do to conserve water? A. Leave the faucet open. B. Turn off water after use. C. Play with water. The answer is turn off water after use. Letter B. Which is a way to reduce pollution? A. Burning trash. B. Walking or biking. C. Using more fuel. The answer is B. Walking or biking. Identify the earth material being described. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Used for drinking, bathing, and cleaning. Water. 2. Where plants grow and get nutrients. Soil. 3. Used in building roads, houses, and monuments. Rocks. 4. Used in jewelry, bridges, vehicles, and electrical wires. Metals. 5. Serves as a habitat for fish and other sea animals. Water. 6. Breaks down into smaller particles to form soil. Rocks. 7. Used by farmers to grow rice, corn, and vegetables. Soil. Number 8. Provide support for plant roots. Soil. 9. Used as raw materials for floors and buildings. Rocks. 10. Conducts electricity and is used in wires. Metals. 11. Used in medical instruments and tools. Metals. 12. Contains useful minerals like limestone and quartz. Rocks. 13. Used in telecommunications. Metals. And 14. Part of all life forms. Water. Identify whether the non-living thing is natural or human-made. You may also write your answer in your notebook. These are the non-living things from 1 to 10. Let's check your answers. 1. Mountain. Natural. 2. Cell phone, human-made. 3. Television, human-made. 4. River, natural. 5. Moon, natural. 6. Building, human-made. 7. Ship, human-made. 8. Valley, natural. 9. Telescope, human-made. And 10. Soil, natural. Say yes if the statement shows care for the earth. Say no if it does not. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Throwing garbage into rivers. No. 2. Planting trees after cutting trees. Yes. 3. Turning off the faucet after using water. Yes. 4. Using dynamite fishing to catch more fish. No. 5. Segregating biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Yes. 6. Burning trash in open areas. No. And number 7. Walking or biking instead of using a vehicle when possible. Yes.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.